sklearn, feature extraction, text, TF-IDF vectorizer. Description: a transformer that converts a collection of text documents to a matrix of TF-IDF features. TF-IDF stands for term frequency, inverse document frequency. It is a numerical statistic that reflects how important a word is to a document in a collection of documents. Inputs: raw documents, a list of strings, each representing a document. Vocabulary: an optional list of words to consider. If provided, only these words will be used to build the vocabulary. Outputs: TF-IDF matrix, a sparse matrix of TF-IDF features, where each row represents a document and each column represents a word in the vocabulary. Vocabulary: a dictionary mapping words to their corresponding column indices in the TF-IDF matrix. Steps: tokenization: the input text is split into individual words tokens. Vocabulary building: a vocabulary of unique words is created from the entire corpus of documents. Term frequency calculation: for each document, the frequency of each word in the vocabulary is counted. Inverse document frequency calculation: the inverse document frequency IDF of each word is calculated based on its frequency across all documents. This measures how rare a word is. TF-IDF calculation: the term frequency TF of each word in each document is multiplied by its IDF to produce the TF-IDF score. Metrics: non-TF-IDF is not a metric, but rather a feature representation. Visualization plots: non-visualization is not typically done directly on the TF-IDF matrix, but rather on the results of models using it as input. Fine-tune parameters: NGRAM range controls the size of word sequences n-grams to consider. MaxDF ignores words that occur in more than a specified percentage of documents. MindDF ignores words that occur in less than a specified percentage of documents. Max features limits the vocabulary to a maximum number of features. USE-IDF: whether to use IDF weighing true by default. SmoothIDF: whether to smooth IDF weights true by default. Uncertainty methods: non-TF-IDF is a deterministic transformation, not a probabilistic one, so uncertainty methods are not applicable. Challenges and fixes: Challenge 1: out of vocabulary OOV words. Words that are not present in the original vocabulary are ignored. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: a document containing a new word not seen during training. Fixes to challenge 1: use a larger corpus for training. Consider using a word embedding model like Word2 Vec or BLOV. Use a vocabulary expansion method such as stemming or lemmatization. Challenge 2: sparse matrix representation. The TF-IDF matrix is often sparse, meaning most values are 0. This can impact efficiency for some algorithms. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: performing linear algebra operations on the sparse matrix. Fixes to challenge 2: use efficient sparse matrix libraries like SciPy, sparse. Consider using dimensionality reduction techniques like principal component analysis PCA to reduce sparsity. Challenge 3: overfitting to rare words. TF-IDF can give high weights to words that appear rarely, but are specific to a few documents. This can lead to overfitting. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 3: building a text classification model where some rare words are highly predictive of a specific class. Fixes to challenge 3: use techniques like regularization or feature selection to control the influence of rare words. Consider using alternative feature representations like word embeddings that capture semantic relationships between words.